morning, everybody. I'm up bright and early today. Well, I guess technically dark and early, but I'm headed to Tweed to meet my buddy and his dad. They bought a firewood processor, and I guess it's kind of a two-part deal. The processor and the conveyor are two separate things, so I'm gonna pull one of them home for them. So we'll go get this thing and then get her back home and try it out. So here we go. Here we are pulling into the Bell's machining. Now the firewood processor we're picking up today is a used one. It's not a Bell's model. I'm not sure what it is, but Larry ordered a brand new one and it's not going to be ready for a couple months. They have to build it first, but they had a used one here on trade-in and they offered it to him to use, which was pretty good of them. Well, we're all loaded up, so we'll head to Tweed and make some firewood. It's 10:35. We'll throw a log on. There's about half a dozen or dozen or so logs over there. I'll get them loaded on this thing and see how long it takes. So we just finished up and it's 1:15 and we stopped for about half an hour to have something to eat, but that went pretty good. That's a 7x14 dump trailer, and it is full. I had it full before and kind of roughly piled it, and I think it'd be about 2 bush cord, give or take a bit, but it's a good load of firewood, so that thing worked pretty good. That's cool. Well, you just can't beat that. A dump trailer load full of nice cut split hardwood. That's great. That processor worked pretty good.